back to DIY and that. What I have here is a dripless caulk gun. This is the Dripless CH200, and it is made by Dripless Incorporated. Awesome name for a company. So what this does is, normally when you have a caulk gun, when you release the pressure on the handle, the caulk continues to ooze out of it. So what they did with this was, did that a little too quickly there. So if you can see this one pretty much stops going. Has a little bit coming out, but not anywhere near as bad as what you would expect. Usually there's a big ooze that comes out of the bottom of it. You can see that has stopped. So what they did was they designed this so that the mechanism, it actually retracts slightly when you take your hand off the trigger there. So the operating handle. So this way you do not have big blobs of caulk running all over the place afterwards. You can just let go of it and quit. And you will notice on this that there is no release mechanism. Most caulk guns, once the rod is inserted, you have to, there's a little lever there that you have to release in order to pull the rod back. On this one, you can just pull it back. There's no extra lever there. So pretty cool. Should reduce the mess a little bit, and I'm a messy person, so that is a good thing for me. It has a little blade here to cut the, hope you can see that, cut the end off the tube as you would expect. And there is a rod on the bottom to poke the seal, and something I like a lot, and it might not show up too well on video, there is a notch on the bottom of the barrel here, and that little rod goes into the notch so that it doesn't flop around. Usually these loosen up after a while, and eventually they wave about as you are working with it. So this one does not have that. It has a dedicated place to put that in there, and the rod has a little bit of a spring action, so it snaps into that slot. So overall, I think that will be a big help to have this. If you are buying a new caulk gun, definitely get the dripless type. And I mean, who doesn't want to do business with Dripless Incorporated? I mean, that's just foolish so if you don't. So I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. And we'll see you next time.